Welcome to Sim Code. Want to learn more? Like and subscribe to stay in the loop for all things coding and development. This example demonstrates how to use logistic regression to predict the probability of a student passing an exam based on the number of hours they studied. The model is trained on a dataset where the input feature is the number of hours studied and the output is the exam result, pass/fail. After training the model, it predicts the probability of passing for each student and calculates the mean squared error, MSE, to evaluate the accuracy of these predictions. The goal of this example is to showcase how logistic regression can be used for binary classification tasks and how MSE provides a measure of prediction accuracy, helping assess the performance of the model and making predictions about exam outcomes. Importing the necessary libraries for numerical operations and machine learning. NumPy is used for handling arrays and numerical operations efficiently. Logistic regression model from Sklearn for classification tasks. Mean_squared_error function for calculating the MSE between true and predicted values. Define the data. Hours_studied represents the input feature, the number of hours each student studied. Exam_pass represents the target/output, whether the student passed 1 or failed 0 the exam. Reshaping to a 2D array, n_samples, n_features. Zero for fail, 1 for pass, binary classification target. Initialize the logistic regression model. Logistic regression is a classification algorithm used to predict probabilities for binary outcomes, pass/fail. Fit the model. .fit method trains the logistic regression model using the hours_studied as the input feature. An exam_passed as the target, output. The model will try to learn the relationship between hours studied and exam result. Make predictions. The model predicts the probability of passing, class 1, for each value of hours_studied. .predict_proba returns the probabilities for both classes 0 and 1, and we are interested in the probability of passing, class 1. Extract the probability of passing, class 1. Calculate the mean squared error, MSE. The MSE function compares the predicted probabilities and the actual values. Exam_passed. MSE tells us how much the model's predicted values deviate from the actual outcomes on average. Print results. I'll put the predicted probabilities of passing for each student and the overall mean squared error, MSE. Now run our code. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this one.